Copex Lidex 1000 scrap shearing machine, with the ability to cut up to 42 tons per hour and a cutting length of up to 800 mm, demonstrates outstanding strength in handling scrap metal. With its sharp cutting technology and high efficiency, in a world driven by innovation and sustainability, recycling plays a crucial role in both the economy and the environment. The massive metal drums, crushed to facilitate melting and recycling, signify more than just destruction. They represent the rebirth of materials. By reducing landfill waste and returning resources to production cycles, these machines not only dismantle but rebuild our environment, fostering a greener future and creating valuable economic opportunities in the process. Meet the shapeshifter of shredding, a machine armed with 4 interchangeable rotors. In minutes, it switches from fine grinding to brutal tearing. Wood, concrete, construction waste, nothing escapes. It's not just efficient, it's evolution in motion, built for every battlefield. Unbelievable. The incredible power of this concrete breaking excavator. Do you see it like the jaws of a dinosaur opening wide to bite its prey? With just one powerful grip, the solid concrete wall crumbles like stone. I wonder what would happen if it clamped down on the leg or arm of a cow. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Watch the Husqvarna 395 XP glide through timber like a chef slicing warm butter. It's not just raw power, it's precision. Do you know which machine will win this competition? Which chainsaw do you think is more impressive? The Husqvarna 395 has won. Congratulations.
Yeah, either way, when you get down to here, you're okay.
All right, it's still about chainsaws, but this time the challenge is real. Let's see how these 3 old men will handle cutting through this giant log. One push, 8 perfect splits. The Kirpan CH32 turns raw timber into symmetry with 31 tons of hydraulic force. Even the heaviest log is gently lifted into place, no sweat, no strain. How much precision can you pack into raw power? Apparently, all of it. Stone meets steel in a mobile symphony. C50 jaw, J50 crusher, S190 screener, C44 cone. Together they chew through 500 tons of granite per hour. It's not just a system, it's a moving fortress. What would you build with power like this? Diesel-driven, PTO ready. The Austrian-made Echelak Viber 92 chips wood with the elegance of a dance, and the efficiency of a factory. Feed, grind, eject, non-stop. How much forestry can one machine conquer? You might be surprised. The giant green beast, Petzolato, PTH-1200/1000 is on the move. With a 1-meter wide intake, it devours everything from massive tree trunks to tiny branches with ease. Each spin of the drum pulverizes tons of wood in a flash. Whether it's a thick stump or dry leaves, nothing escapes this whirlwind of steel. I believe you'll want to have this machine for your own family too. It's just so convenient. On one end, the RS-110 devours plastic drums with textbook precision. On the other, a backyard-built chipper with exposed blades and zero safety. Genius or madness? One mistake, and it's not wood that gets split. Would you risk it? In modern forestry, the job isn't done when the tree falls. What's left behind, the stump, can halt replanting, attract pests, and block machines. That's why stump removal is mission critical. And right here, you're watching the ultimate cleanup crew. Hydraulic beasts ripping roots from the earth, crushing decades of growth in seconds. This is not destruction, it's preparation for regeneration. You're witnessing a new era of unstoppable technology. The Dypex SC850 Pro, a stump-destroying beast, drives its razor-sharp drilling blades deep into the wood, tearing through decades-old roots like shaving hair. In just seconds, the forest floor is cleared, reduced to dust and mulch. Restoring the soil is a vital mission to keep the forest green. The CAT C85T2LR may not be a common model, but its appearance and design suggest it's a customized version of the legendary Caterpillar D8, a symbol of power and durability in the heavy machinery industry. This is not just a machine, it's an entire technological ecosystem, bringing life back to the land after harvesting. VT-NCI 7000 doesn't cut, it dissects. Bulldozer frames crumble like crackers under its blades. Meanwhile, the Hypro 755HB slices through 45-centimeter trees while preserving forest floors. Brutal, yet responsible. Can your tech do both? The Hamel VB 450 roars, tearing waste like a beast unleashed. The Dopat DZ 750 counters with unrelenting torque, slow but unstoppable. Speed versus stamina. Who wins this clash of titans? Drop your answer below. If these heavy-duty machines have you hooked, it's time to pick a side. Type 1 if you're all about unstoppable industrial power. Type 2 if this might be a bit too intense for you. Type 3 if you enjoyed this content and want more epic videos like it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss the next jaw-dropping crush. Your support fuels the next demolition.